Hey everyone, welcome to a new tutorial. In this video I will show you how to make a very simple granny square poncho. I will be using my tulips from Holland Square, which I designed for the traveling Afghan blanket in 2020. The written pattern of this poncho can be found on my website in size small up to 5XL. I will put the link in the description below. If this is the first time you're watching my videos, please subscribe to my channel and click on that bell button. This way you will receive notifications when I upload new free patterns. For this poncho you will need Lion Brand Heartland and crochet hook size 6mm. A step-by-step video tutorial of this square can be found on my YouTube channel. I will put the link in the description below. You will need to make a total of 4 squares, which are each 14 by 14 inch. Now lay the squares like this with the wrong side facing up and use a tapestry needle to seam the squares together. You can use any method you like, I will show you how I did it. Insert your needle through the front loop, which is the loop closest to you, and in the back loop, which is furthest away from you. When you're done seaming the squares, lay them down like this with the wrong sides facing up. Now fold the squares like this and seam the last 2 sides together. For the neckline, you will need to rejoin yarn in one of the 2 center chain 2 spaces. And we will chain 5, which counts as your first double crochet, and chain 2. And work another double crochet in the same chain space. Now skip the next 2 stitches and work the following in the next stitch. 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet. Repeat this until the next chain 2 space. In the chain 2 space you will work 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet. And again we will skip the next 2 stitches and work a double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet in the next stitch. Repeat this till the end. We will end with a slip stitch in the 3rd chain and a slip stitch into the corner. Now fasten off and weave in all the ends. For the cord we will chain 120 or until the chain cord measures 31 inches. Now weave the chain cord through the neckline spaces using a tapestry needle. Make 2 tassels and attach them to both chain cord ends. I will quickly show you how to make tassels. For the fringe, you will need to cut 3 strands, which are about 11 inches. Hold the 3 strands together and fold them in half, forming a loop. Now insert your hook from the bottom up and pull the 3-stranded loop through the stitch and bring the tail ends of the yarn through the loop and pull tight. Repeat this all around, skipping 2 stitches in between fringes. You will need a total of 96 fringes. I will give you a tip how you can speed up this process. You can use a book or any item that's big enough. Wrap the yarn around the book as many times as you need. Cut open the bottom, fold in half, and again cut in half. You will see that this is much easier and faster than cutting each strand individually. Hope this helps, and when you're done, trim the ends of the fringe so that they are perfectly even. And that's it! I hope you guys liked this tutorial. Please give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments which yarn and colors you are going to use. Hope to see you next time. Bye!